Hey everybody, and welcome back. So if you guys have not checked out Target's card section, you definitely are missing out. As you see right here, I have found some great designs, especially if you're an event designer, an event creator, or doing it yourself. Definitely utilize cards into your design. I found these cards. They are a little bit pricey, but trust me, they're universal and they can be used again and again and again. Or even if you want to just hang it up afterwards in like a little kid's room, or just hang it up afterwards, or reuse it for each event, or get some cards for your event, especially if you're doing it yourself. This is a great eye-catching piece. It does not require any work. All you have to do is invest some money into get these cards, and they are a bit pricey, like I said, but they're well worth it. I was in my glory when I seen it at the store. So as you see here, this is a cupcake that they have here. This is a great piece right here, especially if you're having a little girl's birthday party, like a sweets birthday party, or cupcakes different birthday party, or ice cream, anything that shows like you have a sweet tooth. These cards right here are amazing for the design. Trust me when I tell you that, very amazing. All you have to do is take it out the film, out the outside packaging, and get it in some nice frames, and you're all set. Like I said, it saves you a lot of time. You're not even doing much to it, but just putting it into some nice, I would say, all white frames for this, and calling it a day, or maybe silver. Next thing you know, they have Mickey Mouse and Minnie. This is amazing card design, especially if you are a Minnie Mouse fanatic, or if you're having like a Mickey and Minnie baby shower, birthday party, whatever. This is a great design just to put in a frame and add it into your decor piece, into your decorations, your creation. But this is definitely something people are going to be head turning for. Now this is great for a superhero's birthday, and again, this comes from Target. I was amazed by this. I was like, if I'm having a superhero party, I would definitely get this. Next, these cute little baby shower cards are great for gender reveals, are great for if you know that the mom to be is having twins, boy girl twins. These are great. If you are having a gender reveal, have a little voting box underneath. This is another great thing, Star Wars. And I just felt like these two cards went hand in hand, and it's definitely eye-catching piece. And like I said before, it could definitely be used again and hung up. Now this right here is great for if you're having like a bow ties baby shower. This is great to just have in a frame. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is great to put into a frame. Add it to your decor piece. Add it to your table, your cake table, dessert table. Add it somewhere so it can be seen. If you're having an Aladdin party or a genie party, this card right here is amazing and definitely universal. If you're having a sea under the sea party, or some sort of sea theme, this is great too. And again, just put it in the frame and you're good to go. Quick and easy. And I thought this was very cute, especially if you're having like some sort of balloon party, or or a circus party, something. I just thought it was a great piece. Next, the sailboat and the fisherman's jacket are great for like a retirement party, or great for a birthday party, or Father's Day. Don't forget to subscribe.